Hi guys! Let's learn some commonly used vocabulary when filling in a form. So, Mr.
A single or married man.
Mrs.
A married woman.
Miss.
A single woman.
Ms.
A single or married woman.
Surname.
It is your family name.
Forename.
It is your first name.
Date of birth.
Day, month, and year you were born.
Mother tongue.
It is your first language.
Daytime till.
The phone number during the day.
Marital status.
Are you married or single?
Occupation.
What is your job?
Level of English.
Your English level can be elementary, intermediate, or advanced. I hope you learned well. See you next time.